There are some other analysis you should probably look at if you want to expand your business further, Lou.
Sheesh, Bianca. What else can I look at?
Well, Lou, you wanted to know what to do with these numbers, and I'm telling you, there are lots of useful things available for analyzing your business. We can look at some ratios to analyze cash flows next to see where you stand with your ability to pay off loans and whatnot.
More ratios, Bianca? It's almost too much.
What was it that Mae West said? Too much of a good thing can be wonderful? Seriously, though, it depends on what you want to know. That will determine which ratio to use. Let's check some out, okay?
Oh, all right, Miss B. You haven't steered me wrong yet.
That's the spirit. Lou is starting to see that there are many, many ways to analyze his various statements. He may be overwhelmed, and really, that's understandable. That's what you, a bookkeeping boss, are here for. And just like looking at the income statement and the balance sheet, you can analyze cash flow statements with ratios to help clients make decisions, which is what we are going to do right now.